Nananalo na tayo sa loto. Oh my God. How does it feel na nakapagbayad ka na?
It feels...
Okay. Okay, thank you. She is my mommy's home ngayon. Mommy's home ka ba?
Yeah.
Okay. Maligo pa daw si Honey.
Hala.
Honey, seriously? Kami pumila ng ilang oras dito tapos ikaw maliligo ka lang at pupunta dito. Oh my God, this is not
We
it.
already paid.
Okay, yes bitch. What?
Let's get
Patanaw daw.
Living one.
Share location na lang sa kay Honey. Budol kami ni Kuya. Ikaw Kuya, oh my God. Thank you Kuya. Gi-apil. Acting like a vlogger lang good. Bawal ba?
Yeah.
Bawal ba yun? Finally.
Hi guys, we're at Landers and bago lang kami nagpa-membership and we're so hungry. And we're just waiting for our friend, Honey. She's so matagal. I don't like matagal baya. My gosh. And then, what are you going to, are you gonna buy this?
Tangerine.
How much is this? 130 pesos. Oh, this is hindi expensive, huh? It's very affordable.
No, kay Chika. Ang tigulang be like, this bitches, cha. This hoe. Nawari rush ka. May lang.
And,
Bago ka girl. Maghanap mo. Wait. Back here. Here tayo yung bomb na body wash. Magkuha ako. I will help you. Because I'm just a helper. Mag-iba siya na lang magpasabay, day. Sorry. Did we offend someone? Okay. Libre mo ako, panty. Ah, nakurintihan dyan ko. Oh my God. Kurintihan ka. Nakurintihan ko. Uy. This is not it. Day, mabangga ka, day. Tapos kung tayo nakabangga kang tao, day. Perfect. Pinerfect, but... Sincha? Burago? Amang ko'y honey. Maong na siya yellow. Sila, uy. Yeah, I'm trying to try. Pork. Ano piliin namin for samgyup? We're trying na, eto na lang, eto day, tangina, umalis. Perfect ba ito pang samgyup? Panaong ni mo tong si kinsa ganito ka tong red hair ka ron?
no?
Bukag straight lang. Slay ka na nga part day.
Ano maggawa dyan?
Anaon ka day. Period.
I need rice.
Ano masasabi mo?
I need rice.
Rice available. Bakit wala silang rice available, bro? Kamu ka naman ako isang galing na guys, yung na-shop na kasi. Dati pa sana. Isa type lang, hindi ka lang. Pinagbigan ka sa tuyo ko.